Hi, this is Rakesh and welcome to our new accounting video. And in today's video, we are going to see how to calculate super profit for the calculation of goodwill, right? Sometime we need to calculate goodwill based on super profit. So first we will see what do we mean by super profit. Then we will see how to calculate goodwill, right? So let's start the video. So to understand what is super profit and how to calculate super profit, I have taken one question here. So we will go through the question, then we will see step by step how to calculate the super profit. Okay. So see, the question says the books of a business showed that the firm's capital employed on December 31st, 2024 is rupees 6 lakh. Right. So this is the capital employed. So let me write here capital employed given in the question is rupees 6 lakh. Okay, so these all figures we will use in the calculation of super profit. So the first item is capital employed and that is rupees 6 lakh. Now let's see further. And the profits for the last 5 years were, so these are the last 5 years profits given. 2020 profit was rupees 45,000, 2021 profit was rupees 55,000. Then again we have 55,000, then 70,000 and then 85,000. So these are the profits for last 5 years. Now see the requirement. You are required to find out the value of goodwill based on 4 years purchase of the super profit of the business. It means we need to value the goodwill and the base is super profit, right? Okay. And what is given here further? Given that the normal rate of return is 10%. So another we got the next item is normal rate of return. And what is the normal rate of return? 10%. So what do we mean by NRR? NRR means the rate of return which we can I mean to say in this question NRR is 10%. It means without any risk we can earn 10%. Okay, so that is called a normal rate of return. So we got two elements here. First is capital employed, second one is normal rate of return. Now to value the goodwill we need to find out super profit. So first we need to understand that what do we mean by super profit. Super profit means excess of actual average profit over normal profit, right? So let me write the formula. Super profit means excess of actual average profit over normal profit. Okay, so that is the difference of actual average profit and normal profit is known as super profit. So this is the formula we will be using to calculate super profit. AAP means actual average profit and NP means normal profit. So step 1. So first we need to find out actual average profit, right? In order to find the super profit. So step 1 is to find out actual average profit. And for that what I will do? So we will calculate simple average of last 5 years profit which are given in the question. So for that first I will add up all the profits, last 5 years profit. So in the year 2020 profit figure was 45,000 plus then next profit figure is 55,000 plus then we have again 55,000 plus then we have 70,000 and after that we have 85,000. This is the last 5 years profit. So we will add all these 5 years profit and divided by number of years. So that is 5 years. So we got actual average profit and that is how much? 62,000. Right, what I have done, I added all the 5 years profit and divided by number of years, that is 5. So we got our actual average profit. So step 1 done. Now what is step 2 or step 2 is to find a normal profit. And for normal profit, what I will do, suppose I have invested 6 lakh in my business, or I mean to say in the firm. So if same amount I put in the bank, so in that scenario, without any risk, bank will give me how much earning at the rate of 10%, right? I can easily earn interest at the rate of 10%. So how much I can earn without any risk. So that is called normal profit. So 60,000 I can easily earn from the bank. So that is called normal profit. So let me tell you again how I calculated capital employed multiplied by normal rate of return, that is 10%. So we got our normal profit. Now step 3. Step 3, what I will do the comparison to find the super profit. It means from bank I can easily earn 60,000, but firm will be giving me how much? 62,000 on an average yearly basis. And from bank without any risk I can earn 60,000. So how much extra profit I will be generating from the firm? So that is called super profit. So 62,000 minus 60,000. So this is the super profit we have calculated. Okay, firm will be giving me 2,000 extra, right? And if I shut down the business and withdraw the entire capital employed and put in the bank, so without any risk I can earn 60,000. So which is the good investment decision? Firm, right? Because firm will be giving me 2,000 extra. So that is called super profit. So I hope you guys understood all the 3 steps to calculate the super profit. So we are done with this video. I hope you guys understood how to calculate super profit. Okay, bye, take care, see you in the next video.